Hello everyone, if you watched our 1-year review video, you know that one of our minor complaints with the 2023 BRZ is the lack of adjustable lumbar support in the seats. It can get pretty uncomfortable on longer road trips. You can use a lumbar pillow, but they can be bulky and ugly. If you want to keep an OEM look to your seat, Corbeau makes a retrofit air bladder to give you an adjustable lumbar, but it's $55 plus shipping, which seems too expensive. We found a better way using a $12 blood pressure cuff from Amazon. Today we'll show you how. In order for the cuff to fit behind the seat, you'll need to cut off and plug the gauge. We used a plug from an exercise ball, but you could also use a golf tee or something similar, as long as it seals the tube well. Just test it by inflating the cuff and making sure there are no leaks. To install, first you'll need to reach under your seat and unhook the elastic band that's attached to 2 plastic hooks. You'll just have to feel for it, but it's easy to do. Next, pull down on the bottom edge of the seat cover to unhook it from the plastic flap. Pull the ends of the zippers out from between the foam strip at the bottom of the seat and unzip them. Now you can lift up the seat cover and have access to the back of the cushion. You now need to wedge the cuff between the metal springs and the foam cushion. It's a little tricky, but take your time and you can get it in there. Route the inflator ball between the seat and the center console. Once the cuff is in the right position, just reverse the steps and put the seat cover back on. And you're done! The seat is much more comfortable now and it won't kill your back on long trips. Here you can see it in action. Thanks for watching! Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more BRZ content.